Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make deviled eggs Trinidad style. First, place your eggs in a pot of cold water, ensuring they are fully submerged. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes. This method helps achieve perfectly firm yolks. Afterward, quickly transfer the cooked eggs into an ice bath to stop the cooking process and make them easier to peel. Once your eggs are cooled and peeled, carefully slice each egg in half lengthwise. Gently scoop out the bright yellow yolks into a small bowl. Mash the yolks thoroughly with a fork, then mix in a few tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of prepared mustard. For that Trinidadian kick, stir in some finely chopped chives and a dash of your favorite hot sauce. Now it's time to fill your egg whites. You can use a small spoon or a piping bag for a more elegant presentation. Carefully mound the flavorful yolk mixture back into each egg white half. For a classic finish, sprinkle a touch of paprika over the top of each deviled egg. A small sprig of fresh parsley also adds a lovely touch of color and freshness. To truly embrace the Trinidadian style, consider adding a tiny pinch of curry powder to your yolk mixture for an extra layer of flavor. For those who enjoy a bit more heat, a very small amount of finely minced Scotch bonnet pepper can elevate the spice level beautifully. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Enjoy these delicious, flavorful deviled eggs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.